Welcome to the high life, the world's highest peaks where the air is thin, the views are stunning, and the animals are, well, absolutely fascinating. Here, life takes on a whole new dimension. Mountains aren't just stunning, they're home to a diverse array of wildlife uniquely adapted to thrive in these extreme conditions. From the elusive snow leopard to the sturdy mountain goat, these incredible creatures have developed extraordinary adaptations to conquer the challenges of high-altitude living. Join us on a short but fascinating journey to discover four remarkable animals and the surprising ways they thrive in the mountains. At number 1, meet the elusive snow leopard, the ultimate rock climber of the animal kingdom. Snow leopards are majestic big cats native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, including the Himalayas. They are highly elusive and well camouflaged in their snowy habitats, making them a bit challenging to study and observe. Snow leopards are solitary animals except during mating season and when raising their young, and are perfectly adapted to the high altitudes. With their thick fur to keep warm, wide nasal cavities to breathe in the thin air, and long tails for balance, they are right at home on the mountains. Their diet primarily consists of wild sheep, ibex, and other mountain-dwelling ungulates, which simply means animals with hooves like deer, horses, cows, and pigs. Snow leopards can leap 6 times their body length in a single bound. Now that's what we call a high jump. Sadly, they are classified as a vulnerable species due to poaching, habitat loss, and retaliatory killings by herders protecting their livestock. Next up at number 2, the mountain goat, a true daredevil and the acrobat of the mountains. These goats have specialized hooves that grip the tiniest crevices and muscles that make even the toughest climbs look easy. Interestingly, mountain goats are not actually true goats. They belong to a different ruminant species called Oreamnos. Ruminant animals are animals that chew the cud and have special stomachs with multiple compartments that help the animals digest tough plant materials. Mountain goats are excellent climbers, with specialized hooves that help them grip rocks and traverse steep terrain. This is a skill mastered from birth, as, having no choice, baby mountain goats learn from their elders how to climb and navigate their environments very quickly. The mountain goat's thick woolly coats provide insulation against cold temperatures and harsh winds in their high-altitude habitats. And despite living in rugged environments, they are herbivores, feeding on grasses, herbs and shrubs. For now, their populations are generally stable, but like so many other creatures, they face threats from habitat loss due to human activities. Now at number 3, say hello to the yak, the gentle giant that calls the world's highest pastures home. Yaks are domesticated bovids primarily found in the Himalayan region of Central Asia, particularly Tibet and Nepal. What are bovids, you ask? Well, simply put, bovid refers to a special group of hoofed animals. They have hooves that are split into 2 parts, like cows, goats, sheep and yaks. These animals typically have hooves and horns, and many of them are domesticated for their milk, meat, wool or hides. Yaks are well adapted to high altitudes with large lungs and hearts that help them thrive in low oxygen environments. They have long, shaggy hair that protects them from cold temperatures, and they can withstand temperatures as low as -40 degrees centigrade. These dense coats keep them warm and enable them to survive. Yaks are built for the high life, and they aren't just survivors, they're also hardworking, carrying heavy loads and providing for local communities. Nature's ultimate multitaskers. Their milk, meat, hair and hides are valuable resources for the communities that raise them, and the yaks play a significant cultural and economic role in the mountainous regions where they are found. Finally, the pika, the pint-sized powerhouse of the peaks. Pikas are small mammals closely related to rabbits and hares, found in rocky mountainous regions across Asia, North America and parts of Europe. They are known for their distinctive haystacks of dried vegetation that they collect and store for winter. Much of their time is spent foraging for grasses, herbs and leaves. These little guys survive the cold with their thick fur and by consuming lots of reserved food. They're nature's very own stashers and dashers. They're also excellent communicators, always on the lookout to warn their buddies of danger, as they are an important prey species for predators like foxes, eagles and mustelids. Climate change poses a significant threat to pikas, as they are sensitive to temperature increases and habitat changes, leading to population declines in some areas. And that concludes our discovery of 4 magnificent animals thriving in the mountains. As we wrap up our short journey through the mountains, it's indeed incredible how these majestic animals thrive in such extreme conditions. From the nimble snow leopards to the spirited mountain goats, each creature's unique adaptations highlight the wonders of nature's ingenuity. These animals remind us that where there's a will, there's a way, no matter your place in life. And by the way, do you know why you should never tell yaks a secret? Because they won't keep it, they're yakking all the time. Remember, no matter how high you aim, there's always room for a little fun. Thanks for watching, and see you next time as we enjoy beauty in the everyday. If you enjoyed our high-altitude adventure, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more light-hearted nature.